And you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, then it's going to jury trial.
How could I negotiate about a cop out to something that I'm just hearing for the first time?
Well, I'm sorry to hear about that.
Is that right?
All right, so
we've been here a few times to propose a counter offer. We were partially successful in proposing it. Without going into the details of the offer, Mr. Simmons can't accept it currently. He's asked for some additional time.
Wait a second, puppies? Yeah, you heard that right. But don't get it twisted. These aren't service animals. This is straight up a last-ditch excuse to dodge jail time. What do you think? Valid reason or desperate play?
He's from another state, so he has some questions about Texas law and how this applies to him. And I've discussed this with him prior studies, but he wants a more informative, thorough, more detailed discussion.
all right, so what I can tell you, Mr. Simmons, is that an offer was tendered to you.
At court today, he's present now.
Okay. All right, just have them listen. Oh, Lamar Simmons.
And Your Honor, we had a pre-indictment court setting in August in about 2 weeks. And that was canceled because of the indictment. We had a sudden setting. His bond company didn't notify him to be here. I called A Action. They got him here. That's why he wasn't here at 9 o'clock.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes, ma'am.
On this case, if you'll set it for discovery, please.
Yes, ma'am. You want 30 days?
Yes.
I can do the August 28th.
All right, August 28th.
Thank you, Judge.
And state if you'll be prepared at that time to tender an offer.
Yes, Judge. And Your Honor, I know that I had reviewed some videos. I need to double check if, I know that we have a discovery setting, but I may need to get with the state about one specific video, verify whether we have it or not.
Okay. All right, thank you. Thank you for getting here. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. An offer was to be tendered. Have you received an offer?
Duffy had made an offer. However, I came in to confer with Duffy off dockets, and Duffy was going to consider, and I know that Duffy's gone. I talked with Lauren. Lauren stepped out. But Lauren's going to reach out to the complaining witness. Lauren is going to see if she will make a revised offer. I proposed a counter offer. And Lauren needs about 2 weeks to contact the CWC if they're okay with a proposed offer.
All right, Norma, on this case, final plea deadline date, 3 weeks, please.
September 18th. Yeah, Judge.
Quick legal insight. When you hear discovery, that means both sides exchange evidence before trial. It's like showing your cards before the big poker game, except in court, you can't bluff for long.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Exactly, I say a day shy of a month, maybe. And then I reset it again for the 23rd, which is today. So today is the day. Either you've worked out an agreement with the state or you have not. If you have not worked out an agreement, then this is being set for jury trial. And the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court.
Did I speak now?
Yes.
What I'm saying is, well, my understanding of this was when y'all first gave me an offer, they was just throwing at me. But then the next offer, it wasn't off. It was offer today was something that I wasn't heard of to today. The last two offers was jail time.
No. Here's the thing. I'm not allowed to hear what the offers were. This is what I can tell you. Sometimes offers will change because maybe the defense attorney may talk to the state, and then the state may see things a different way, and they may say, that first offer that I made really wasn't just. Defense has come to me and told me reasons why the offer should be something else, and then maybe they will agree with the defense attorney and offer that. So sometimes offer do change. Sometimes people will say, you know what? I'm going to take this to trial.
Translation time. A plea open means the defendant admits guilt, but the judge, not the prosecutors, decides the punishment. High risk, high stakes. Would you roll the dice with your freedom on the line?
And then maybe at trial, maybe the state doesn't have their witnesses, or maybe the offers change because they've had a chance to talk to the witnesses again. You just never know. What I'm telling you is today is your plea deadline date, and you've had over 60 days to think about whether or not you want a jury trial or not. So, counsel, are you available this afternoon?
Excluding the 1:30, the 175th doesn't have docket till 1:30. I'm set there for 2 people, but I'll be here this afternoon.
All right. So, well, I tell you what, you have till 11 o'clock to let the court know. Is that good for you, counsel?
Perhaps afternoon would be best.
All right. So, how long is it going to take you in the other court in the afternoon?
That I'm not certain, but I would hope to be here hopefully prior to 2:30.
All right. So you're going to need to be back here at 2 p.m. And you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, then it's going to jury trial.
How could I negotiate about a cop out to something that I'm just hearing for the first time? Every time when I come to court, outside of court, I'm supposed to have contact with my public defenders discussing this case.
All right. So
I'm just hearing it every time I come to court. That's when I talk to my public defender.
all right.
Your Honor,
It was like kind of shock or surprise to me. That's what I'm saying.
the offer that was made July 29th, I had explained to him that I was proposing a counter, that I explained what the counter was, what the counter would entail.
Mhm.
And I was successful in proposing that, except there's in the provision of the penal code that would authorize you to do something. There's not a number we could agree with. So we did make a offer that I explained to him. Unfortunately, it's just not an offer he could accept.
Okay. All right. So,
But I will speak with him after court right now.
okay.
And around at 2 o'clock, we'll be back here.
All right. 2 p.m. Thank you. Oh, you're here?
I was in the 175th, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, please read it to approve, and that's gonna be on page 5, 3 down.
All right. Lamar Simmons.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon.
I start with Mr. Simmons. We have accepted a plea offer. However, it would require time, but without discussing the offer, but it would be if you follow the agreement under special provision of the penal code. So the issue is that he has a litter of puppies. He has 8 puppies, 2 adult dogs, so it's 8 dogs that are...
Notice how the judge keeps control of the timeline? Deadlines in court aren't suggestions, they are the law's way of saying, get it together, or get ready for trial.
He needs to go home and care for them. He doesn't have to pay, he would have to do time at the county jail, so he would have to make sure that payments were made in advance for rent. Initially, he was asking to come by tomorrow possibly, but he was asking for maybe a couple more days. And I've already talked with Lauren from the state, and she's okay with at least for tomorrow. But we have an agreement. The offer's open.
All right. So, are you okay with bringing it back on Thursday? All right. So you're going to come back on Thursday. On Thursday, there'll be no further continuances. Do you understand? All right, Norma. If you can recall this for disposition on Thursday, please.
And may you specify this Thursday or next week Thursday?
No. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just said Thursday. No, it's Thursday the 25th.
This 25th?
Yes.
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 Yes, Judge.
All right. Once he signs the reset form, he's excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
Oh,
And that's it.
Yes, we will go into custody on the 25th.
Anyone else ready? And did 25 CR 006994 State versus Lamar Simmons. Can I have parties announced?
as for the state,
The attorney of record is Joanna Hoyos. Joseph Stateson covering for Joanna Hoyos. She is on vacation.
All right. Do you have any objections to this attorney standing in for Joanne De Hoyos?
This is the courtroom equivalent of final warning. Judges don't like endless excuses. Next stop if he fumbles, jury trial, and trust me, that's a whole new ballgame.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor. And I know that we've been here a few times, some back and forth negotiations. And I just want to make sure that Mr. Simmons has received an offer that been accepted truly and wants to go forward with this plea. That's correct, Mr. Simmons?
Yes.
All right. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with an unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you any defenses to this offense?
He has. We've discussed it, and we feel comfortable going forward today.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Simmons, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, placed you in fear, or forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yeah.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you can be deported, not allowed to re-enter the United States, and denied naturalization?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 60 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $700 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor. If I may add something at the appropriate time.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
None.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plea?
Guilty.
State
No
any,
contest.
Your Honor, I'm sorry.
Contest.
Yes, no contest, Your Honor.
all right, state any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. Offer States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Did you, state, you may be excused.
Okay.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
And there it is, the moment of truth. All the back and forth, the negotiations, the excuses, it all boils down to one word: guilty or not guilty. This is the climax of every courtroom drama.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Very customary for judges to order that. I was hoping that you could order it and have it reflected on the plea bargain page or on the judgment. He has 10 actual days, spread it for all 10 days. And I told him that you're not authorized to